I'm turned up in the sky, yeah. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. No, you can't bring me down. I turn up. You can't turn me down. No, you won't leave me down. No, you won't see me down. I'm high up in the...
What's up, Royal Family? It's your girl Majestie, and I'm back with another video. And today, in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this item right here. You gotta flip the other way.
Flip what?
Because you had to. Yeah, okay, you covered it, so. Alright, yeah.
Y'all see a shooter?
Whatever. And today I have an assistant here for this unboxing. This is Majestie.
I'm Steve.
One of the two Majesties is here. This is not going to take long. So, before I start this video, I wanted to use her as my assistant because Majestie has back problems. So, this would be convenient for her. If she want to borrow, she can borrow. Alright, so before I get any further to this video, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. Let's get to it. Alright, so this little baby right here is, I'm trying to see which block I want to unbox it first. This is a massage gun for athletes. It has 8 speeds. No, it has 30 speeds and 8 heads. 30 speeds. You need that pressure. It got you with that pressure. And this is all the pieces that come with it at the bottom. So she said try them all out on her. So here we go. Y'all ready? That's 30 pieces. Maybe just 5.
I was like, girl.
Maybe just 5. Okay, you got your phone. That's all I need. Thank you. Alright, so let's pop it open. There we go. Yeah,
Why you saying it?
good. That's my name and address on there.
You ain't gonna see it.
Okay, you say that. Watch, I put a blurb somewhere. Alright. So, this is how it looks when you get it. It's a box inside of a box. One of the best pranks they used to have. You open the box and then it's a box inside of the box. Look, I was gonna say just throw it down there. I'm so used to throwing stuff on the ground.
No, not gonna.
I like a piece of tape. Is that right? Yep, that's right.
Y'all, I'm scared she's gonna slice my leg.
What? Oh, girl, I'm being careful. So before I put it up, let's see if I'm gonna need it again. What do it look like? No, we just gotta pop it.
Yeah,
Alright. Bada bing, bada boom.
nice box.
Oh, that's
nice and smooth.
That might be a thumbnail. Don't use it. We gonna have to. I haven't made a thumbnail like that in a long time. Dun da da da. Dun da da da. Dun da da da.
Oh,
What?
that's cute.
I know that nice little cute carrying kit. Alright, nice and small. Very convenient. Take this on the go for sure, And here you go. This is the way the inside looks with all the pieces. And the most important one is, uh-oh. It ain't even bothering. Okay.
Alright, these reflexes.
You do. So I get these are some bands for I guess some piece, right? Now, I don't know what all the pieces are for, but you know, we gonna find out once you use it. The picture.
So does it come charged?
Sometimes when you buy stuff, they usually come charged. I hope it did come charged, at least with a little battery for her to be like, okay, I can see what you're talking about.
Gotcha.
Right. So, I'm going to put screenshots of, I guess you could say, the instructions and let you know what all the pieces are for, basically. Or you could just go visit the, what's that, the link. Because I know it's Amazon, most of their instructions are the pictures, so. Oh. Okay, she got it. Oh, okay.
I help you out.
She helped me out. Alright. Let's see what that say then. Let's put this down out of my head. Alright. So, with this, you have 8. Okay, so remember they said 8 pieces. You got your round head. You got your U-shaped head, bow head, flat head, mushroom shaped head. Can't even see what it is. Thumb head, comb head, and what's this one?
Meniscus? That's what it look like.
Meniscus head.
Meniscus head.
And then the round head is meant for your chest, so you're gonna take that, rub it in your chest. That's mainly for the men. We got some right here, so we can't do it like that.
I bet that felt good.
It probably do. Okay, you got the U-shaped head. That's for your neck and your spine. Okay, we'll use the U-shaped head for you. Then you got the bow head. That is recommended for your hips, legs, hands, or body relax. Okay, okay. Then your flat head is for your hips, legs, hands, help shape, and the muscles of the body relax. Then you got your mushroom head for lower leg and Achilles tendon. Then the thumb head is used for massage soft tissues. Comb head for large muscles around chest, back, and legs. Okay, okay. And for arms, legs, muscles, and massage and relaxation. And then here goes instructions for maintenance. So once you get your booklet, you can go through it if you would like. So, which one do you want to use first?
Whatever you want to use.
I'm so over it.
Y'all, I'm so sleepy.
Alright, I'm going to use the...
I've been up all morning. I'm tired. I've been running around.
Okay, I'll use the U-shaped hair for your neck. You think you got some tension in your neck?
Pretty sure.
It's like a whole speed gun, y'all. I don't know what they use when they try to track it. They try to track your speed, the police officer be
Like
using.
a blow dryer.
Hold on, I just feel like this is not clean enough. There we go. Alright. That look cleaner to you?
Yep.
And it was called the U-head. Alright, alright. Here we go, y'all. Y'all ready? We finna see what it's like. Pop it in there, twist it a little bit. Let's see. It do like a blow dryer now. The top of there. Wow, okay. Alright. Let's see how. I don't mind figuring stuff out, but should I went to the beginning? Batteries. Bitterize. Oh, girl, that's a different language.
I was just gonna say.
I was gonna say that ain't even right. Okay. Safety precautions. Let me find out. It's at the bottom. There you go. Alright, here you go. On. Over. Alright. Oh, oh, oh.
Turn on the master switch under the battery handle. The LED light indicator will be lighted. The 2 numbers at the top of the screen is represented by the battery capacity. The number 4 Y'all, that feels so good. She figured it out. Oh my God. Can I rent this from you, please? Oh, y'all, this feels so good. OMG.
The reason why I'm not using it myself because I don't really like massage stuff. Like my body tense up. But I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try it.
I would literally fall asleep. I would fall asleep for this. This feels so good. Y'all don't understand. Like every day, my back, my neck, and my hips hurt every day. Especially sleeping in the bed with my son because he's just so busy. Girl, that feels so good.
Turn it up on it.
Oh, they got different. Oh, 30 speed.
Yeah, 30 speeds.
So that's the second speed.
It say 8. Let me see. Yep, that was speed 8. Okay. You want to start from the beginning?
They got me feeling good already, y'all.
Okay, so this is speed. Get your boyfriend. Get your boyfriend. Nearly scared me.
Y'all, he plays too.
All right, so this is speed 1. Ooh, hold up.
I'm about to say,
It
hold
took
up.
it too fast. It's very sensitive. Hold on. Okay. Okay, there you go. Here goes speed 2.
Yep, that's it.
I can see it working. Okay.
Tracy, that's the meniscus head. Let me see that one.
This is oh shoot.
Yep.
This ain't you.
Try that right here.
Right here.
Oh yes. That feels good. So this is for the neck and the spine.
Okay. Y'all don't judge.
The U shape. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay. So right now we're using the meniscus. That's for the arms. Oh, that's so good.
Alright, so that's speed 3 for that.
Okay.
Alright. We on speed 4.
OMG. How much this thing cost?
$6.
That's good. Cause this thing feels good.
And if you even order it today, it'll come the next day. Definitely.
Oh, it's next day shipping? Yeah, I might have to order me something like this today.
Alright. So that was speed 4. Can we go on 5? Let me do the other arm. That's getting the other one getting too much attention.
You said that's speed 5? Yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. It feels so good.
Okay, so speed 6.
So you taking it home tonight?
Tonight.
Look, yeah, I was trying to already take her stuff. This feels so good.
Alright. 30 speed, y'all. I don't know, that's a lot. Let's see.
That kind of
You got time?
made me a little weak.
We ain't got that much time. We got 24 minutes time, so.
Okay, so what's the next one you can use?
The next one, okay, let's go ahead and use the U-shaped one. Alright. Okay. Turn it off for a second.
You can use the U shape and the flathead neck.
Y'all, I'm gonna have to turn this off and restart it. I gotta delete some videos.
I think you'll have enough time. If you don't feel like you'll have enough time for 24 minutes, then girl, I don't know. I'll be up here knocked out.
Alright, so let's make it shift. Okay. Got the U-shaped head on.
So that's for the neck and the spine.
Alright, so we're gonna turn this on. Started on speed 1. And we finna find out.
OMG. That feels so good.
Alright, that's speed 1. Let's try it on speed 2. Alright. Golly, this thing is powerful. Here goes speed 3.
It said it's for the spine to go down. Oh yeah, it's definitely for the spine. That feels good. Yeah. This is good. Anybody who has back problems or like muscle spasms.
Alright, we gonna try speed 4 and then we'll stop at speed 5.
Okay. Y'all should get this.
Alright. Here we go at 5.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna need to borrow this one tonight. This feels so good.
Alright.
That feels good.
And what's the other one?
Okay, so that was the U shape, and then it's the flat head. So it's flat and round.
This one?
Yes. That's for this part. You know, I use this a lot with my cake.
Oh yes, definitely. She definitely needs this. Alright, we on speed. Oh, shoot. That's speed 6. Hold on, I'm taking too fast for that.
Oh my god. Yes, girl. That feels so good.
Just a shaking and dropping and vibrating.
Oh, yes.
Let me try that. Well, let me up the speed.
Okay.
Alright, so this is 2.
Yeah, this feels amazing.
This is like something that comes off to write it down.
For real. Because this is coming down my fingers.
Really?
Yes, because then my fingers be tingling. Like when I was working, they be tingling. Like they be in pain. This feels good.
This is 4.
Or is it? I think I like 4 speed.
Well, we gonna see about 5.
Maybe 5.
We ain't even went to 30, so you can't say maybe 5. We got more
Oh,
to
well,
go.
turn it up. Turn it up. Go to like 15.
Okay.
Oh, no. 15 hit me, y'all. I don't know. It's kind of like going through your whole arm. Even though she's hitting one spot, you feel the... Ooh, girl, that's a weak spot. You feel the whole vibration through the whole arm. This is good. This is a really good investment. If you have arthritis or like back problems and stuff like that, you should definitely get this.
Alright, let me go ahead and hit it up to... Oh, we go to 25. Hey, that's a long way to go. Alright, you ready?
No. That feels pretty good. Y'all hear how fast it's going? Against my arm, girl. It was loud. You funny.
It's moving fast, though. Look
It
at
is. Y'all see that?
Yeah, it's moving really fast.
Girl, this feels so good. This is really good. Like, I don't know what makes you get it, but I'm down for it.
They said, hey, we got something for you to review. I said, okay.
Oh my goodness. It's so beneficial.
It really is.
So big against your arm.
It feels weird.
It feel weird.
I told you I don't do massage.
Oh, she don't do massages, y'all. She hates somebody touching her. Give me a massage, please. Rub me down.
So the battery is on 60, so that's 60%.
That's what I was saying.
Okay, so all you gotta really just do is turn the speed down and it'll turn off automatically. Duh. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope this example was a good one. And she gave the best reaction.
Yeah, I feel a little relaxed.
I love, look, when it comes to getting reactions for stuff, she made the best reactions.
I'm telling you the truth.
Alright, ready for this thumbnail? With 2 minutes to spare. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing / review video. I know she did. Oh, also y'all, look, you see y'all, she did me a ponytail. I was gonna make this video till my hair was done. Look, I was gonna have a wig on and she was gonna have this ponytail on my head. Either way it goes, my hair is gonna be looking right.
Ain't it cute, y'all? She look cute.
She said I look grown with this. I do.
Look grown.
It do give me grown folks vibes. Look, I finally look 30. Everybody sound like an 18 or something. I look grown now. Alright, yeah. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. And turn your post notifications on so you can notify every time I upload a video. And if you don't know, first comment gets pinned. So if you don't know, now you know. And I'm out. Peace.
I go. All companies not good company.